Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore brand icons with Fluent icons in Figma export. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your Figma file that contains the brand icons you want to restore. Identify which icons need restoration. Select one of the icons that require adjustment. Check the current design against your brand guidelines to ensure accuracy. Use the color picker tool to sample the correct brand colors. Apply the sampled color to the selected icon. For each icon, repeat this process to ensure all colors are uniform. Next, review the overall design for consistency and style. If any icons appear outdated, create new versions using the Fluent icon style. To do this, open the Fluent icon library in Figma. Select the appropriate icons that match your needs. Drag and drop these icons into your design canvas. Resize the icons as necessary to fit your layout. Adjust any additional properties, such as stroke width or corner radius. Before exporting, double-check each icon for alignment and spacing. Group the icons if necessary to keep them organized. Once everything looks good, it's time to export the icons. Select the icons you want to export. Go to the top menu and click on File, then Export. Choose the desired file format, such as SVG or PNG. Configure your export settings according to your requirements. Click the Export button to save the icons to your computer. Review the exported files to ensure they are correct and meet your specifications. Your brand icons are now restored using Fluent icons and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.